Okay, we're given this function right here, which models the height of a baseball t seconds after the batter hits it. So we can put numbers in like 1, 0 for t, 1 for t, 2 for t, find out how high the baseball is at any given point in time. That baseball is going to kind of get struck, go up in the air, and come back down. And when it hits the ground again, that's when h is 0. So there's the key. We have to put 0 in for h and solve for t. The easiest way to do that is to subtract 13 from both sides. And then instead of squaring this binomial, divide both sides by negative 2.1. So negative 13 divided by negative 2.1 is positive. If you don't like to work with decimals, multiply top and bottom by 10. And now we use the square root property to take the square root of both sides. Square root of something squared is the something. Square root of 130 21st. There's a plus or minus square root. So t is 2.4 after we add 2.4 to both sides, plus or minus the square root of 130 21st. That means one of the times is this, and one of the times when the height is 0 is this. We're going to see on the next board that t sub 1 here is actually a negative number, so we won't be accepting that as an answer. Here's what we've got. The first time is negative 0.08 seconds. That's before the ball was hit. That's why we're rejecting this answer. The second time is 4.888 seconds, or I think the direction said to round to nearest tenth of a second. So that would be 4.9. At 4.9 seconds, the baseball has hit the ground. Okay. There's other interesting facts if you graph this function right here. For example, the highest the ball ever gets is at 2.4 seconds. It reaches a height of 13 feet. This equation is actually the equation of a parabola written in vertex form. 2.4 is the vertex, 2 is the x-coordinate of the vertex, 13 is the y-coordinate. Also, when t is 0, the height is 0.904 meters. This is in meters. So 9/10 of a meter is about where it's where the baseball is when it's hit by the batter. And see, we know that a meter is a little bit longer than a yard, so it's a little more than 3 feet off the ground, probably, something like that, waist high. Okay, there you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.